So today I thought to myself, what would happen if I tried building different types of lawnmower blades just to see if they cut grass? So I'm going to be trying replacing this blade using just a simple piece of cardboard to see if it moves fast enough to cut lawn. Also, can it even get up to speed without breaking? Also, I've created this one here that I'm going to put into place. This is using hot glue sticks, and they're connected in the middle with a bunch of glue. That flat area is for I can crank it down on there. I'm also going to try a piece of foam, an old piece of belt, around. It didn't even rip out of the glue. The force of the machine ripped the sticks right off it immediately. It was hard to start without this thing having anything there to spin. Without a blade, they're hard to start. Now I'm gonna go onto the cardboard, which is probably not gonna work either. Here's the second experiment that probably won't work either. This is a belt. It broke right at the hole. Maybe if I used a bigger washer, that wouldn't have happened.